Hello, this is Brian. Today is Tuesday, February 28th, 2023, and I'm here near the Mission Dam at Mission Trails Regional Park. Today I want to shoot a spotlight on plants video. It's on a plant that is sometimes found on these shadier slopes, understory of woodland, sometimes in chaparral, mostly on north-facing slopes. And it's this plant here. This plant is called Fringed Meadow-Rue, and this is Thalictrum fendleri. It is a medium to quite tall perennial herb, and it is in the Buttercup family, the Ranunculaceae. And it likes these shadier slopes, understories of woodlands, and it can be an occasionally frequent find, especially in moister locations. And it's mostly ephemeral, meaning while the root system is perennial on this plant, the top part of it, the leaves and the flowers and the stems, usually dies back during the dry season, only for the roots to put forth more as the rainy season returns and replenishes the soil moisture. So what we have here is a quite attractive, very leafy, very verdant plant, very upright, with this kind of ferny-like foliage, but these leaves are actually tripinnately compound. In other words, they are divided thrice or three times. So what I am holding here, actually, I need to correct myself. These leaves are actually quadrupinnately compound. So they're divided four times, actually. So as you see here, here's the leaf stalk of the plant, and here's the stem. And then here's the rachis, or the leaflet stalk. And then it gets divided its first time, as you see here, going here, so it's divided at least three times going up here, up the rachis, and it looks like it's tripinnately compound when you go higher up on the leaf. So here we are. So this is actually a secondary division right here, and this right here is a tertiary division. So this is a third division, and then it is fourth divided into these leaflets here. So what I am touching here is only a part of a leaf. This whole thing here is a leaf, and you can see it's sheathed around the stem here at the base. So once late winter and spring comes, they start sending up these inflorescences, these flowers, these flower stalk structures, and then we start getting these buds like this right here. So now, once they open up, the flowers might not be extravagantly showy, maybe not like what you would expect with like roses or true buttercups or matiliha poppies with big flowers, but they kind of have these neat little flowers that kind of droop a little bit, and they're kind of fringed. I think that's where the common name Fringed Meadow-Rue comes from. Now we're supposed to have two varieties, I believe, here in Southern California. There's Thalictrum fendleri variety fendleri and Thalictrum fendleri variety polycarpum. I'm not exactly sure what variety of this is, so I'm just going to go into doing a general video. As I look up the plant online, maybe I can see if one or the other is vouchered here. They both might be vouchered, so I don't know. But Fringed Meadow-Rue, kind of dangling, little fuzzy, little droopy things. Those are the flowers of the plant, which turn into these little seed capsules that distribute the seeds when the plant dries out during the dryness of summer and fall. So again, they're going to like these little wooded areas and chaparrals mostly in the low to mid elevations of the mountains. I've seen it at nearly 4,000 feet in the Santa Ana mountain ranges. But let me get into some pictures here so you can kind of see what we're looking at here. So yeah, this is quite an interesting plant, I gotta say. I've come across it on a fair amount of occasions. A lot of times even I'll overlook it because, like I said, it doesn't have these big, huge, blast you in your face flowers. The beauty of this plant is circumspect. It means you got to kind of go up to it and look at it up close to really to get an appreciation for the subtle beauty that this plant possesses. All this stuff here, these are all old flower stalks and seed stalks from previous years. So that's how you can kind of tell this plant is perennial. So the plant's still here. It's just the top part of it dies back during the dry season, and then it leaves out again after the soil's been replenished with water. So there you have it. The beautiful Fringed Meadow-Rue, Thalictrum fendleri. Like I said, I will do a little more research as to what variety of Fringed Meadow-Rue this is, but live from here at Mission Trails Regional Park. Take some time to appreciate the subtle beauty of this plant. Let's get another look at the flowers a little more up close again. Just the way they droop. Beautiful plant. Beautiful plant. Like from here at Mission Trails Regional Park. So that will do it for my Spotlight on Plants video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as we move more in towards spring, I'm hoping to get more of these herbaceous plants. Again, this is an herbaceous plant. Herbaceous meaning does not form woody tissue. And here it is. Another up close look at the flowers. A little closer here. You can kind of see the structures here. Fringed Meadow-Rue. Thanks for watching my Spotlight. I'll close us off with a couple of pictures. But in the meantime, thanks for watching.